Once there was a man who listened to what the buildings had to say. Each rumble a different whisper was something new each day. And he played to the city, and the cars sang back, and the trains just murmured with a whine and a clack. And as he wandered among giants, the notes came, as if shown, passage directly from his soul, with a resonance all its own. And sometimes the silence is all a person needs. A garden perhaps emergent, attending to the weeds. And the spaces between sounds they lingered, as if to let the silence atone. A melody fulfilled, a coda revealed, the city no longer alone. And the song went like this.